What is the golden ratio for GED Math? Have you ever wondered how certain shapes and patterns in nature seem to have a perfect balance? That balance is often described by a special number known as the golden ratio. This number is approximately equal to 1.618. It describes a unique relationship between two quantities. When you have two parts, let's call them A for the larger part and B for the smaller part. They are in the golden ratio if the ratio of the larger part to the smaller part is the same as the ratio of their sum to the larger part. In simpler terms, if you take the whole length and divide it by the longer part, you should get the same result as dividing the longer part by the shorter part. This relationship can be expressed mathematically as A plus B divided by A equals A divided by B, which is approximately 1.618. For those preparing for the General Educational Development Test, or GED, the golden ratio is not a common topic. However, it can appear in problems related to proportions, ratios, or even geometry. Understanding this concept can help you with number operations and problem solving, especially when working with fractions and decimals. The golden ratio is an irrational number, which means it cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. It can be derived from the quadratic equation squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. The positive solution to this equation is equals 1 plus the square root of 5, all divided by 2, which again gives us that approximate value of 1.618. While it may not be a frequent question on the GED, recognizing the golden ratio can be helpful. It is about comparing parts of a whole using ratios. This concept is useful when you are solving problems that involve ratios and proportions. The golden ratio appears in many areas, such as nature, art, and architecture. However, for your GED studies, focus on mastering the basics of ratios, fractions, decimals, and solving simple algebraic equations. These skills will provide a solid foundation for understanding concepts like the golden ratio, even if it does not come up often on the test. So, as you prepare for the GED, keep in mind that while the golden ratio may not be a key focus, understanding ratios and proportions can enhance your problem-solving skills in mathematics.